After 45 years of space exploration, the Voyager probes, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, have made a thrilling new discovery in the depths of interstellar space. These spacecrafts, launched by NASA in 1977, have journeyed farther than any other human-made objects, providing us with unprecedented insights into the cosmos. In this video, we will delve into the incredible voyage of the Voyager probes, the discoveries they have made along the way, and the new revelation that has recently been unveiled. The launch of Voyagers 1 and 2. In 1977, two space probes, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, were launched from Cape Canaveral, Florida, on a mission to explore the outer planets of our solar system. These spacecrafts, the first of their kind, were destined for an extraordinary journey that would revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos. The Voyager mission had several ambitious goals. Firstly, the probes aimed to provide the first close-up pictures of the giant planets of the solar system, such as Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. By studying the planets' magnetic fields, moons, and cloud structures, scientists hoped to gain new insights into the dynamics of these distant worlds. Additionally, the mission sought to explore the space between the planets, known as the interstellar space. By venturing beyond the plane of the planets, the Voyager probes aimed to probe the interstellar medium, the cosmic environment beyond the solar system. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 embarked on different trajectories, allowing them to conduct a grand tour of the giant planets. Voyager 1's trajectory took it closest to the giant planets, with the closest approach to Jupiter in 1979 and the closest approach to Saturn in 1980. On the other hand, Voyager 2 followed a longer, more comprehensive path, visiting Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, with the closest approach to each planet. To change their trajectories, the spacecrafts utilized gravity assist maneuvers, using the gravitational pull of planets to gain momentum and change their paths. These maneuvers enabled the probes to visit multiple planets, maximizing the scientific value of the mission. The voyage into the unknown. Having completed their exploration of the giant planets, the Voyager probes embarked on a new chapter of discovery, venturing into the unknown realm of interstellar space. This uncharted territory held the promise of new cosmic phenomena, waiting to be unveiled. After 45 years of space travel, the Voyager probes have covered an astonishing distance. Voyager 1 currently holds the record for the farthest human-made object from Earth. Located over 14 billion miles away, Voyager 2, slightly closer, has journeyed over 11 billion miles from Earth. Despite the vastness of interstellar space, these spacecrafts continue to transmit telemetry data back to the Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California, at the speed of light, providing us with valuable information about the interstellar medium. Crossing into the interstellar space. Having completed their exploration of the giant planets, the Voyager probes embarked on the grandest phase of their mission, the journey into interstellar space. This groundbreaking achievement marked the first time that spacecrafts ventured beyond the boundaries of the solar system, pushing the frontiers of space exploration. In the early 1980s, the Voyager probes first encountered the heliosheath, the outermost layer of the solar system, marking their exit from the solar system. This momentous event, crossing the heliopause, the boundary of the solar system, was a major milestone in the Voyager mission. As the probes ventured further into interstellar space, they provided crucial insights into the dynamics of the solar wind, the plasma environment, and the magnetic field of the interstellar medium. The telemetry data transmitted by the spacecrafts from the heliosheath has revealed the complex interplay of solar wind, plasma, and magnetic fields, painting a new picture of the cosmic environment beyond the solar system. The terrifying discovery in the outer space. While voyaging through interstellar space, the Voyager probes made a discovery that sent shivers down the spines of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. These spacecrafts detected the presence of cosmic rays, plasma, and solar wind, elements that were expected to be absent in the interstellar medium. The detection of cosmic rays, plasma, and solar wind in interstellar space has challenged our previous understanding of the cosmic environment beyond the solar system. These energetic particles, which are typically associated with the solar wind, were not anticipated to be present in the interstellar medium, raising new questions about the interstellar magnetic field, the composition of the interstellar medium, and the interstellar cosmic rays' origin. The discovery of cosmic rays, plasma, and solar wind in interstellar space has significant implications for space exploration beyond the solar system. The presence of these energetic particles suggests the existence of star-forming regions or cosmic sources outside the solar system, where such high-energy particles can arise. By studying the cosmic rays and plasma detected by the Voyager probes, scientists can gain new insights into the interstellar medium's composition, magnetic field, and dynamics. These discoveries, unexpected as they may be, offer new opportunities for unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos beyond the solar system. To sum up, the Voyager mission has been a remarkable and awe-inspiring journey into the depths of space. Over the course of 45 years, these intrepid spacecrafts have provided us with invaluable insights and made groundbreaking discoveries. From their exploration of Jupiter and Saturn to their current trajectory in the interstellar space, the Voyagers have continuously pushed the boundaries of our knowledge. Click here to watch billionaire space race Musk's Starlink versus Bezos's Project Kuiper. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our future videos.